Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is your girl CE Concepts. I want to say thank you for joining me once again, and all my subscribers, my viewers all over the world. I say you are the best. Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful fabric with gather skirt coupled with elastic band. Very simple. When I say simple, it is simple. So what the basic measurement we will be using on this tutorial is the length of the skirt and the waist circumference. That's it. So the first thing you are going to need is your elastic. This is the elastic I'll be using. Is 2 inches wide. 2 inches wide. Like I said, I'll be using my waist circumference and the length of the skirt. So without the skirt itself, as you can see, this is my fabric. It's not much. So the length, let me measure it. This is the length. This is 16. Reason being that the length of the skirt is 16. Then I added 2 inches for allowance. I'll be using half an inch to join it with the elastic, while I'll be using 1.5 to hem the bottom side of the skirt. So let's get into it. The first thing we are going to do now is, how do we determine the amount of fabric we shall be using? Is that in this case, because this fabric is not much, I'm going to multiply the waist circumference by 2.5. As you can see, this is the waist circumference is 28. Multiply by 2.5. This is 2.5 inches. So the first thing you will do is that you do 28 multiplied by 2, which gives you 56 by my calculation here. Then the 0.5 is half of 28. Half of 28, let me do it here. 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. So you add 14 to the 56. This 14 is the half an inch, okay? 2.5. So this is 2.5. The first one is 2 inches, while the 14 is the half of the circumference, the waist circumference. So you add it together, that gives us 70. So what we are going to do next is to add the 1 inch, okay? 1 inch for the seam allowance, both sides. So let's get into it. Now let me show it to you. This is it. Remember, the waist circumference is 28. This is the first 28, and this is the second one. This is the second one, making 2, while the remaining half is 14. As you can see now, this is it, 14. We have 15 here. The 1 is the sewing allowance. Now, another thing we are going to do now is the band. How do you determine the measurement of your band? I want to give you, because this is no matter of standard, but this is CE concept idea, okay? When I say it, just take it the way I said it, okay? So from the waist, remember the waist circumference is 28. What you are going to do is just deduct. When you are making your fabric with elastic, whatever measurement you have, just deduct 2, okay? Remember, our waist circumference is 28. Then you take away 2. That gives us 26. So the elastic I'll be using now is 26. Let me show you. This is it. As you can see, this is it, 26. This is it. Don't pull it, okay? Then we have different methods, okay? But this is the method I'm using, and it works like. So Now, the next thing you are going to do is you place the elastic on your working table like so. Then you now look for the middle. Please don't notch it. You look for the middle. 28 divided by 2, that gives us 14. This is it. You mark your 14. You now take your fabric. You take your fabric. If you don't know how to place your fabric, the right side or the wrong side, please go and watch my video. I explain detail how you can place your fabric, the right side facing the right side, okay? So this is the wrong side now, as you can see. So the right side now will be facing the, don't mind this lace, I join it together. So the right side will be, remember this is the elastic, this is the upper parts, okay? So the right side facing the elastic, you now pin this upper parts. You now pin it like so. Reason be that to secure the middle, okay? And when you are gathering it, one side will not be bigger than the other side. That is the reason why I pin it in the middle, okay? So the next thing we are going to do now, you take it to your machine. I will show you how to do that. You will now take it, then you gather, you go in by half an inch. From this starting point, you go in by half an inch. Let me show you that. As you can see, I'm about to join the fabric with the elastic. I said you place the edge of your fabric, the right side facing the elastic up, not here, okay? Don't do it here, just put it up, because by the time you put it here, it's going to be in the wrong way. So you put it at the top of the elastic. You now sew from this side in half an inch. Let me do that. This side, you can decide whether you want to use 0.75, which is 3/4. But me, I'll be using half an inch. So, bring your needle down. You bast stitch. So you sew half an inch, like I said, this is it. Half an inch stop here. So from there now, you now start gathering, okay? Gather like this. Don't pull your elastic, okay? Like so. And when you are doing it, make sure they are both the same. Gather it like so. It's simple. Make sure you use your hand to adjust the gathers so that one side will not be fuller than the other side. So we have joined the first side. Let me show you. As you can see, this is the first part of it, from here to this side. So I will do the rest and come back and show you. Okay. So once you get here, this is the last part. You stop half an inch away. Okay, you stop half an inch like what we did when we wanted to start. So that's what you should do. You apply same method here. As you can see, I didn't apply any gathers here. You just sew it straight with this stitch. You pass stitch. So this is it now. I've joined it together, as you can see. So remember, when you are sewing, try and check your gathers, because some might fall off at the bottom. So try and use your hand to adjust it when you are sewing yours. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, this is the front part. Can you see? Looking beautiful. So I will now take it, fold it like this, then I'll remember we left one inch for the seam side, so I will now go and sew here down. Then after, I will join the bottom. We are done. It's as simple as that. So don't forget, when you are done this side, the same side, just hold it down and stitch. Okay, run your sewing machine on it like so in order to hold it down, or you can use your zigzag mode to hold it down. I will do that now. As you can see, we are done. So beautiful. You can make it for your, baby girl, even yourself. As you can see now, this is the part I asked you to hold on. Oh, we are done. Very beautiful. Can you see? That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share it. I believe this video has been helpful. I would like to hear from you soon. Thank you very much. I will see you on my next video.